Really special message to the Great Investments Program and the approved list people. I'm outside of the New York Stock Exchange here, and the reason I'm here in Manhattan to begin with is because I was on Bloomberg yesterday speaking to some of the Bloomberg journalists as well, get a finger on the pulse of the market. I was here meeting one of my former employees of Profinium, used to work for me in the early days of the hedge fund. He's now in mergers and acquisitions here in New York. I met up with my cousin who interviews CEOs of HP, PayPal, Zoom, companies like that. Again, a finger on the pulse. And that's the point of the Great Investments Program. I'm not just giving data and doing some chart analysis. It's unique. You don't just get access to me, but you also get the insights and the expertise and the finger on the pulse through my networks and my physically also being here as well. COVID put a dampener on some of those things. We're back to full steam ahead with having those sources of information and connections. The first time I went on the floor here was when, on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange, was when I launched the hedge fund. And it's been good to have kept those connections. Those of you who use my pipspredator will know that Bill Lipschutz, global head of foreign exchange trading, formerly at Salomon Brothers, and a hedge fund manager, lives not far from here as well. I did my show on Bloomberg TV, so there's a lot of New York connections and networks, and I want to bring all of those networks and experience and expertise to bear on the value that I give you in the Great Investments Program, the approved list, so that you're all, that much better equipped. And I think it's a unique thing of extremely high value, which is often underestimated. I don't mind being a bit American and banging the drum about it and saying, I think it's a bloody good thing that we offer. And I don't think anybody else comes even close to be able to do that or bothering to do that. So I want to thank you all. I don't want a pat on the back. Being here is reward enough, but I want to thank you all for being part of it, and I just wanted to pass that message on. Thank you.